In this video, we will continue with the sum of chapter 2, exercise 3, algebra. Now we have started with select the correct answer sums. I have done 3 and there is remaining 2 portion, 4 and 5 sum. This I will be doing it now in the video. Now find the value of minus 2 plus into minus 4 into minus 3. So there are 3 numbers with negative sign. How will you multiply? First you need to multiply the signs. Now what I said, the rule of multiplication, when you multiply the same sign, it will give you plus sign, and when you multiply opposite sign, it will give you minus sign. So we will take the 2 sign. This number has a minus sign, this also. So minus into minus gives you plus. Same signs are multiplied, it gives you a positive sign. And then with this plus, which you get by multiplying these 2 signs, now the third sign is minus. So with the result of this 2, that is plus sign, you need to multiply the third sign, which is minus, the sign of the third number. So plus into minus, opposite signs are multiplied, always gives you minus as the result. So the result will be having a minus sign. And then you multiply all the 3 numbers. 2 4s are 8, and the result of these 2 number is 8. The product of these 2 number is 8. With that you multiply the third number, just like we are basically breaking the sum. Multiplying the 2 numbers and then multiplying the third number. Similarly, multiplying the 2 signs, whatever is the result sign, with that we are multiplying the third sign. So 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the correct answer is minus 24. Now moving to the fifth sum. This is also simplification, you have to find the value. So within the second bracket, first bracket is given, first you solve that. Plus 3 means it will remain same. I am not writing the first bracket. Then what you have, within first bracket minus 7 is written, and before the bracket plus sign is written. So when you remove the bracket, the signs get multiplied. That means plus into minus. So opposite signs are multiplied, always the sign will be negative, and write the number. So 7 will ultimately have a negative sign. And with that, what is added at the end? Again plus, within bracket you have minus 11. So again, if you want to remove the bracket, what will happen? The signs will get multiplied. Plus into minus, opposite sign multiplied will have result with the minus sign, minus 11 equal to. Now you solve whatever is there in the bracket. Now when the 2 numbers have opposite sign, what do? Add or subtract? We always subtract the numbers. So from 7 you subtract 3, you will get 4. And what will be the sign of the result? The result is 4. The sign will be the sign which is there with the greater number. So out of 3 and 7, 7 is the greater number, and you will place the whatever sign is there with 7. It has a negative sign, so the result will also have a negative sign. So we have solved this bracket. Now we will write without bracket. And what we have outside? Minus 11. Now you will solve. Now check. Both the numbers are having same sign. When you get same sign, both the numbers can have positive sign, both the numbers can have negative sign. But they should have same sign, then only we will add the numbers. Here we will add 11 plus 4, 15. And what will be the sign? The sign will always be of the greater number. So out of 4 and 11, the greater number is 11. So the sign it is having is minus, result will have a minus sign. So this is the correct answer. So with this we have completed the first question, select the correct answer. Now we will move to the second question, that is fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. First question, minus 15 divided by minus 5 equal to dash. You have to solve and find the result. So minus 15 divided by minus 5. Now what I said, in division what is the rule? When same sign are there, then the result will have always a positive sign. So the result will have a positive sign. And then you divide the numbers, 5 3s are 15. So the result, first result will be plus 3. Second question, minus 8 divided by dash plus 3 equal to minus 6. Now all of us have done sums like this, that we need to find the unknown value. What do? Whatever is known we take to the right hand side and keep the unknown value in the left hand side to find its value. So we will do just we have done previously. So minus 18 divided by unknown value, let us take it x, I don't know, I have to find this, plus 3 is giving me minus 6. So I can move this plus 3 on that side, or again we can write minus 18 divided by means like this, divided by x plus 3 equal to minus 6. So take the number that side. Whenever you take the number that side, the sign change takes place. So minus 18 by x equal to minus 6 is already present in the right hand side. You are only taking plus 3 on that side. So plus 3 will change into minus 3. So what is the result? Minus 18 by x is equal to minus 9. Why I have directly written minus 9? Because when you have same sign, you add the numbers. 6 plus 3 gives you 9. And the sign of the greater number is minus. So we have put minus. Now cross multiply. We need x only on one side. We need to find the value of x. So x is divided over here. When multiplied, it will be going that side, it will get multiplied. So minus 18 equal to minus 9x. Now always remember, when you have same sign on left hand side as well as in right hand side, you can cancel it. So minus and minus gets cancelled. Now you need to find x, so x should be kept alone. So 9 is multiplied to x. Take 9 on the other side. What will happen? Here it is multiplied. When it go that side, it will become divided. So x is equal to 18 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18. So x is 2. That means the result is 2, means it is positive number. So x is plus 2. So the unknown value is plus 2. So second answer is solved. Third is almost like the first like the second sum. You need to find out the unknown. So let us take this x. X into minus 2 plus 9 gives you 25. Keep x on one side, try to take the numbers on that side, into minus 2. We will do one by one so that we don't get confused. So when I take plus 9 on that side, it becomes 25 minus 9. The sign changes. What is the result if we deduct 9? 16. So x into, x into minus 2 is given. When you take minus to that side, it will be divided by, because in the left hand side it is multiplied. When we take the number to the right hand side, it will be divided by. So x is equal to 16 divided by minus 2. Now see, the top number has a positive sign and down number it has a negative sign. So when you have opposite sign in case of division, the result will always have a minus sign. And solve the numbers. 2 8s are 16. So x value is minus 8. The unknown value is minus 8. It is solved.